All right, so Disney is at $187.67 with a market cap of 340.48 billion. And we had a nice run up. So a month ago we were at around 170 and then we hit around 190. And that's due to Disney releasing their earnings report. And anytime they do this, Disney shoots up, and now we're starting to see the sell off. So let's take a look at what I believe was the most important part of their earnings report, and that is this. Disney smashed subscriber expectations Thursday when it reported bringing in nearly 95 million paid subscribers to Disney Plus. Across the other platforms, including Hulu, ESPN, the number of subscribers came in at 146 million. That is an insane number. That is why Disney keeps raging. Like we've seen quite a bit of movement in Disney. We just keep creeping up slowly, and this is amazing. This is why I hold Disney, because of the Disney Plus slash subscriber platform that they have. And I believe that once they beat Netflix's subscriber count, which is around 190 million, I think we're going to see money flow out of Netflix and into Disney. That would be the ideal scenario, but that's my hope, and I think we are just going to keep going up. Eventually, we're going to hit the $200 range. That'll be our, steady line. Then we'll hit the next notch, which will be like 220, and we'll just keep going up slowly but surely, in my opinion. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.